Hello.
Hello.
What are you standing next to there, boys?
A bear.
What kind of bear?
A black bear.
A black bear. So kind of wild that we can drive just 2 hours north of the desert where we live in Phoenix and come to a place where they actually have black bears. So we're up in Sedona here at the Visitor Center, and my first time in it. It's pretty cool, all the different things that they have. Here's a model of a rattlesnake. I think a diamondback. Yep, looks like a diamondback. There's the rattler. Pretty cool. Something on the water table. So one of the coolest things here is all about poop. Do you know your poop? So these are all animals that you can find in the area here in Sedona. If you see this kind of scat or poop, you're going to be looking at the deer mouse. That means the deer mouse has been in the area. This next one gets a little bit bigger, would be from the wood rat. Next we have the feces of Allen's big-eared bat. This one I've seen quite a bit. That would be the jackrabbit. We have those near us. This is an interesting one. Almost would have thought it was from a bird, but it's from the desert spiny lizard. Now we're getting bigger into the mule deer. This one looks like mule deer, but it has a point on one end. So that's gonna be your pronghorn. Now we're getting really interesting. Coyote. This one should strike fear into you. If you see this, that means you got a mountain lion near you. And then lastly, the black bear. So, pretty interesting. Here's some of the beetles they have in the area as well. Those are pretty cool looking. So all in all, not a bad little museum here at the Sedona Visitor Center.